Hello and welcome to New Parents in Training. So today I'm going to talk about floor potties. Now in the previous episode I talked about how we train our kid in terms of the potty training when he turned 2. So if you haven't seen that one, I put the video up top so you can go check it out. Now as far as for all of this, I mentioned in the previous video that it is a really good time to hit up your friends who already has a toddler or older kid that they have a spare floor potty that can lend to you. So we didn't actually purchase all 5 of this. Most of them we borrowed them to kind of test it out. And also I mentioned in that video, depending on the size of your house, you might need more. We have 2 floors at home. Now, majority of the time we use this 4 and they were scattered throughout the house. So that way, wherever the kid that's roaming around, we have one that's really close by in case he's about to go. So it's very convenient to have multiple ones. But if you have a small apartment, then you might just need one floor potty, or you just have your kid to use the adult toilet. Now all 5 of them, as you can see, these 2 are a little bit lower, so it's very suitable for kids that's much younger or shorter. And for this 3, they're a little bit higher, so if your kid is a little bit taller, then this might be a little bit suitable. And also all 5 of them has splash guard. This is very important, especially for boys. My kid, even with splash guards, sometimes he will pee out. So it is very important to pick a floor potty that has higher splash guard, such as this 3. So anyway, if you are first time to our channel, please consider to subscribe. If you enjoyed this video, give a thumbs up or hit the like button. Alright, so the first one I'm going to talk about is the summer floor potty. Now, just FYI, you should always get the floor potties ready ahead of time before you do potty train. And also keep in mind that you shouldn't let your kid to see the floor potty until you're ready to train them. Because once they see it, especially this one, they would think this is a toy instead of a potty that they need to pee or poop in. So yeah, initially when we got this, our kid, when we're doing the potty training, our kid really enjoyed this one because this resembled the adult toilet that he always see us using. Kids like to mimic the adults, so this way it's very easy to engage them when they need to do potty training. So this one was really cool when we first got it. So they have a top here that you can put some books and wipes, so it's very convenient. Once the kid go number 2, you just take out the wipe here and then wipe the kid. And also this makes a sound. Yeah, yeah, it's really cool. It looks and sounds like a real toilet, and also there's a flap on the side. You can easily take this out to wash. The splash guard is decent height, not the highest we have seen, but it's decent enough. And also on the floor here, they do have things to kind of prevent this to skid. So it is very secure when you put on the floor. Now let's talk about the dislike. It's quite huge. Even though our kid really like this one, we don't. The reason being that is there's too many parts. So look at this. There's 1, 2, like you have to take out one item and then you get to take out the potty tray itself. So there are a lot of moving parts, and also it's not that easy to transport and whenever you need to move from one place to the other. Well, if you don't need it in a hurry, it's really easy, right? You just lift from the bottom and just grab and go. But if you're in a hurry, like your kid is about to go and your kid is nowhere near this thing, then sometimes this will come off. The thing is, depending on where you grab it. So the top, this part, if you grab it wrong, this will come off. If you grab it in a hurry, you squeeze the side and then you grab the top, this will come off. Now, not only that, there are more parts that can come off. Like the bottom, this can come off as well. So there were a few times when I was in a hurry, I grabbed the wrong side of the toilet and then it's just like things come off. This thing is really cool if you just leave it stationary. But if you're in a pinch to move this to somewhere else, it's definitely not a good one to go with. So the next set I want to compare with is this type. Now they look very simple because they are. So look at this, one bottom and one tray for all three of this. So this one is IKEA and these two are from BabyBjorn. So all three of them are relatively affordable. So if for the most current up-to-date price, you can check out the links down below. Now for this three, why I wanted to compare them all at once is because they are similar in design. All three of this has rubber edging on the bottom, so this will prevent the floor potty to skid. So I'm like pushing this, like they are not that easy to push around, and so this is preventing this to skid when your kid tries to sit on it. They have a splash guard on the front. They are pretty high. All three of these are very easy to transport. They all have opening in the back, so you can just grab from either from the bottom or from the top, from the opening to grab and to go. And they are really light. Yeah, all three of them are plastic and very easy to clean, especially for the tray. And you just pick it up and then you can go dump it into the toilet and wash it in the sink. Now, as far as for the BabyBjorn, if you do end up having two, it's pretty cool. Their trays can be interchangeable. So I put the bigger one into the little one. Like, I think the trays are all the same size. So if you have two or more at home, different sizes, and you can swap them if you forgot which one going to which. And for BabyBjorns, they came in with two sizes. One is a little bit shorter, so for kids that's a little bit shorter and it's easy for them to get onto the potty itself. Now for this one, the bigger one is a little bit higher, but also it has a back support. So if the kid wants to sit in there and all of a sudden they want to lean back, they can do so with this one. And for the IKEA, they only have one size. It's about the same height as the BabyBjorn, this one, but it also comes with a back support as well. And really big opening in the back where you can just grab and transport this. So all three of them are really easy to use and really easy to clean. All right, so the next one I'm going to talk about is this portable one. This one is called the OXO 2. This potty is 2-in-1. Now what it can do is you can actually put it on top of the adult toilet seat. So let me take this out. This is very small. Now what you need to do is just kind of flip it open. Now this two buttons on the top, the gray one, you press it and then you can flop this open. Now in this mode, you can put on top of the adult toilet seat. As you can see, there are this rubber edging on the bottom to prevent this to slide. Now whenever you go outside, because this you can take it out with you, right? So you can actually make this stand like so, like a little floor potty. You can actually use this at home, don't get me wrong, not just for outside. And also they have the rubber edging on the bottom, so this definitely not gonna go anywhere when you put it on the floor. Now what is so cool about this is when you purchase this, it comes with two potty bags that they provide you with. So there's one that I haven't opened yet. This just kind of demonstrate to you. We haven't really used this yet. So the one with the liner is going inside, and then the side you can just go into the flap here, kind of secure this back in place. Like so. So once your kid done the number one, number two, you just grab the side like this, and then it comes right out. Now they do come with their own bags, but you don't necessarily have to purchase this. Now say for instance, you went to a grocery store and you got one of the groceries bag, right? So it's the same deal. You just put it over the potty and then put the handle into the flap, and voila. Aside from the bags that they provide you with, they also come with a portable bag to put this thing in. So this is also really cool. Now, ta-da! You have a tote bag with the potty inside. so to keep things neat and clean. And this is really affordable as well. And so whenever you go outside, take your kid, take one of this with you, then you don't have to go look for a bathroom for your kid wherever they need to go. All right, so in conclusion, we really like this 4 here. This one is being very portable, and this 3 is really easy to use and super easy to clean. But the summer one, we have just too many issues for the adults. The kid love it though, but for us it's too much hassle. Anyway, so this is my review of the floor potties. If you'd be so kind, comment down below what do you use at home. I know there are a lot of different variety of floor potties out there. Let us know what you use at home, because we have a second kid that's on the way. Before we know it, we need to start potty training that kid as well. So anyway, if you have any questions, comment down below. Until next time, bye.